Happy Thanksgiving. I'm making a couple pumpkin pies, and I noticed people make their fluting, do you call it fluting, different every time. I just want to show you how I do mine, and then share with me how you do yours, okay? So I do this method, like that. But you don't have to make that noise. And I just go around. Can you see that? Here, maybe if I do this way. No. It's so hard to see. Like, maybe if I do it like that. There, now you can see, right? So, this is how I do it. Lickety split. There you go. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun.